for a home that checks all the boxes?
In-unit brick townhome, premier location.
Remodeled kitchen and renovated bathroom.
Natural light streams through this home, and especially on the main level, as you see the three-sided fireplace that partitions the living room and dining room with recessed lighting, chair rail molding. I want to show you this gourmet kitchen with pull-out drawers, custom cabinetry, recessed lighting, and this granite countertop that goes throughout the kitchen.
You will love the primary suite. Vaulted ceilings, updated shutters, room for a king-size bed. The ensuite bathroom allows you to have a soaking tub, a frameless shower, and a granite vanity.
Your fully finished lower level has everything you can imagine with tall ceiling heights, your fourth bedroom that can even be used as an office, and a full bathroom with custom tiling and glass frame shower. You'll notice the tile all throughout the lower level as it expands into your private patio. You will fall in love with the outdoor dining and entertaining space.
Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.